Luxury is not about fleeting indulgence. It is about timeless rituals that bring harmony to body and mind. Today, we explore Brazilian waxing, reimagined as a wellness ritual. It is an experience that goes beyond beauty and becomes transformation. In this glow-up guide, you will learn how to prepare with intention. You will learn how to embrace the experience with confidence. You will learn how to nourish your skin afterward with care that feels as refined as it looks. This is not simply grooming. It is luxury wellness designed for those who value both elegance and empowerment. Traditional spa days are often seen as escapes. But true refinement is not escape. It is integration. When waxing becomes part of your self-care philosophy, it evolves from routine into ritual. It is less about appearance and more about alignment, confidence, and presence. Preparation sets the stage. Hydrate well. Exfoliate gently. Ground yourself with calm breathing. Some prefer luxury scrubs with rose or pearl. Others choose simple natural blends. What matters most is intention. Treat preparation not as a task, but as a ceremony of readiness. During the session, perspective transforms everything. Any momentary discomfort is temporary. It is exchanged for weeks of ease. In premium salons, privacy and comfort are honored. This allows you to reframe the process as a renewal. It becomes a brief step into confidence and clarity. Care after the ritual is where true radiance is preserved. Gentle hydration with botanical balms protects the skin. Refined creams restore and maintain balance. This stage is not maintenance. It is preservation, the same way a collector preserves a work of art. Ultimately, Brazilian waxing is not just about smoothness. It is about self-connection. Each step affirms body acceptance. Each step affirms intentional care. The result is confidence that shines not only from your skin. It shines from the way you carry yourself into the world. If this vision of self-care speaks to you, subscribe and join our community of wellness seekers. Together, we explore rituals that transform the everyday into elegance. True radiance is cultivated, not rushed. Through rituals, choices, and respect for your body, you build a glow that lasts far beyond the surface. May your journey to well-being be as luminous as the life you are creating.